Good afternoon, the beloved watchers. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bukit Pamungkas. I made this video to fulfill my last test about making vlog. This video is about ramen, the food I like and the favorite of Japanese. I have to cook the ramen first. In this video, I use instant very spicy ramen. First, boil the water. While we waiting for the water, let's prepare the paste for ramen soup. Ramen soup is generally made from stock based on chicken or pork, combined with a variety of ingredients such as pork bones, but in this packet they use prawns. The water is already boiled. Take some to pour on ramen paste. Mix them and we get spicy ramen soup. Put the noodle to boiled water. Most noodles are made from 4 basic ingredients: wheat flour, salt, water, and kansui, a type of alkaline mineral water. Check the resilience of noodle. Rinse noodle and pour it to prepared soup. I add spring onion and tofu to be complementary food. I also add Cara, fried crackers which made from rice. Here is the finished spicy ramen. Let's taste it. History said ramen is a Japanese adaptation of Chinese wheat noodles. One theory said it was brought by Chinese immigrants. Early versions of ramen were wheat noodles in broth topped with Chinese-style roast pork. The soup tastes spicy, also savory. The resilience of noodle is good enough combined with thick soup. I am satisfied with this serving. I feel proud of myself that I can cook noodle. That's all I can say. I cannot comment further because I'm not experienced in tasting like MasterChef. Thank you for watching. Goodbye to my beloved watcher.